In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profits on the Kucoin exchange. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can efficiently and effectively manage your trading goals. First things first, we need to make sure you are at the right place, so head over to the Kucoin website. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login option. Click on it and enter your credentials. Remember to keep your login details safe to ensure your account's security. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself back at the Kucoin home. Familiarize yourself with this dashboard if you aren't already. Then, look for the Trade option. It's really quite intuitive. You'll find it in the top menu. Give it a click, as this is your gateway to accessing and managing your trades. Moving forward, locate the Trading Bot option. The Trading Bot is a nifty feature of Kucoin, designed to help automate your trades. Automating trades can save time and potentially maximize your profits with minimal effort. Next, hit the Auto option. This will allow the bot to manage some trades automatically based on predefined settings. It's an excellent way for both beginners and seasoned traders to engage with the market without constantly being glued to the screen. Now, Kucoin offers more than just default settings. There are advanced settings available, which you can explore if you want to fine-tune the trading strategy further. While this step is entirely optional, it might make a significant difference for some trades, particularly if you have a specific strategy in mind. Finally, to execute the main task at hand, focus on the Take Profit price. Clicking on this option allows you to set a desired price at which to sell. You'll set this price according to your profit goals, ensuring you make the most out of a favorable market condition. This step is quite crucial in locking in profits effectively. Remember, setting a take profit price is all about balance. You want to ensure that your target is realistic based on market conditions while also maximizing potential gains. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this process with me. Taking profits efficiently is a key part of successful trading, and mastering these steps will certainly put you on a path to achieving your trading objectives on Kucoin. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. Make sure you practice these steps as they can be really rewarding when used accurately. Stay tuned for more trading tips and guides. Until then, happy trading on Kucoin.